do is take the key, we're going to insert it into the dash and turn it to the accessory. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. This is going to be a very quick episode, guys, to show you how to reset your service reminder or your Assyst Plus in your Mercedes-Benz. All right, guys, so here we are in the GLK. So this is how you're going to reset your service reminder in any GLK Mercedes-Benz. That being said, if you are brand new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Check out all of the other content here at Full Throttle. There's a ton of great content there. And always be sure to leave your thoughts and comments down below. I love hearing from you guys. But let's dive into it right now. So what we have to do is take the key. We're going to insert it into the dash and turn it to the accessory mode. You do not want to start the vehicle. Next step, we're going to go back through the channels, the displays, until we hit the trip odometer. So again, you can either hit back to go there, or you can kind of cycle through depending on where you're at. You can go to trip and then it will bring you back. So if you're at trip, you can cycle down through and you should be able to get back to your total mileage and then your trip odometer as well. So once we're here, guys, the very next step we're going to do is press the phone button, and within a second or so, press and hold the OK. So this might be a little difficult where I don't have a tripod. Yeah, it's a little hard. So I'm going to try to hold this the best I can, guys, and show you guys how easy this really is. Apologize on the camera. So I'm going to hold the phone button and then hit OK. Once you have this screen pop up on your dash, you're going to go down to Assyst Plus, hit OK. Service data or for full service. We've performed a full service on the vehicle. So we're going to hit OK. As you can see there. And then you have service 2, service 3, service 8, or you can confirm full service. That is what we've done. So we're going to hit confirm full service, hit OK. Service carried out, yes or no. You can cycle down, up and down arrow. We're going to hit yes, hit OK. Cannot be undone, guys. So be sure, basically this is telling the computer that all of the recommended services have been done to the vehicle. So you want to be sure you've done the proper stuff. Again, you can cycle up and down to cancel, to back out, or hit OK to confirm. We're going to hit OK. Full service has carried out. So at this point, you can see up and down doesn't do anything. Now it's reset itself to full service. We can go into service data real quick just to show. So we got workshop code and then time remaining 365 days and remaining distance 15,000 kilometers. Oil data record, and so on. So again, guys, it's that simple to reset your service reminder on your GLK. Doesn't matter which model it is. This is a GLK 350, specifically a 2010. Like I said, this should work on all of your models. So to get back out of the screen, you're just going to continue to hit the back button until you hit your trip odometer. At that point, you can keep track of your mileage, or I guess you don't even have to do that now. It will tell you in 15,000 kilometers that the next service is due. So it's that simple, guys. Very easy. You do not need to take your vehicle to a shop. You don't need a special scan tool. You don't need any of that. Do it yourself at home. Very simple, guys. If you have any questions or concerns, be sure to reach out down in the comment section below. I hope you enjoyed today's episode. Be sure to hit that like button if you did. And until next time, guys, you know what to do. Keep her at full throttle.